Binghamton University has a rich history in community schools, beginning with our university-assisted community schools model. It then transformed to our regional network. Additionally, we have an advanced certificate in community schools, which is an online advanced certificate program. And most recently, we were awarded the New York State Central and Western Region Community Schools Technical Assistance Center.
A community school is a school that places students at its center. It organizes all of the resources of the school and the community around students to help them succeed. They act as a hub for the community, leveraging strengths and addressing challenges to create systems that can better support our students' academic and health and mental health and social emotional needs.
When you think of a community school, you want to think of it as a one-stop shop for parents, students, and stakeholders.
We're looking at treating the whole child, really. So when a child comes to school, they have more than just academic needs.
We take into consideration factors maybe at home, whether or not there's some challenges with housing, if students' basic needs are being met.
We also provide programs that have open access to all students. We have school-based clinics in 3 of our schools right now, and these are places where students can get access to anything from physicals to mental health support, as well as their family.
The drop-in center actually evolved from student requests. Students really were feeling like they wanted a place to just be teenagers. They, in Whitney Point particularly, actually went to the superintendent and asked for a space that they could go to during study hall and during their lunch. So they tried it 1 day a week and found that it actually improved their attendance. It improved outcomes for students, and now they have advocated that they have it open 4.5 days a week.
The drop-in center definitely gets me through the day because I struggle with anxiety and depression and stuff, and getting through class can be hard. So I know that I can look forward to going to kind of de-stress and alleviate some of those issues that I face.
So when we think about community schools, we often think about the 4 pillars, and those include collaborative leadership practices, expanded and enriched learning opportunities, integrated student supports, and active family and community engagement.
Being able to enhance the academic performance, increase attendance, increase engagement, increase leadership, getting parents very much involved in opportunities within the schools, and providing the access that children and families need on a daily basis.
We have the TAC, the Technical Assistance Center, where we provide technical assistance for school districts throughout the western and central part of New York State to develop into community schools.
We were absolutely delighted to have Binghamton University be selected as the Central and Western region. The Technical Assistance Centers are really designed to work with a very large region in a way that supports that, and that is generally through the website, NewYorkStateCommunitySchools.org, that is shared across those regions, the many promising practices that are available as resources there, and then through our webinars at the regional level. That tends to be the ongoing technical assistance in either developing or strengthening your community schools. And then there's some sort of boots on the ground technical assistance through site visits.
The regional network has been developed to help our local schools that are within the region of Binghamton University to develop and implement and sustain their community school model.
We all have to work together. There's no one entity that can accomplish everything that we need to accomplish, and we really need to be able to connect with the people in our community and have them all working together so that our students can have a quality education.
Family engagement is one of the real cornerstones of community schools, making sure that parents and families become a partner in the educational process of their children.
The expertise that is brought to us by Binghamton University is now right down the hall, or in some cases in the classroom. Last week I had the privilege of participating in a day-long training where the TAC was responsible for bringing together experts in the field from across the state. And so it was just a great opportunity to share expertise and experience, stories, resources. So it's just really capitalizing on that collective wisdom. We've begun to create that connectedness between all these different types of agencies in a defined, continuous, and professional way that I think is going to help move all of us forward.
The Advanced Certificate Program is really the nation's first online advanced certificate program for community schools. It's really geared toward supporting the school professionals that we need to help build that capacity for community schools. What are the structural elements of community schools? What are some of the programs, whether it's early childhood, after school? How do we build really strong partnerships cross-sector? What does whole child education really mean? And then, of course, how do we look at building an interconnected systems framework around community schools?
It's really helped not having to drive to the campus to take the class. The Advanced Certificate Program has been really beneficial in supporting me and understanding more about what my role is supposed to be. I find that I'm truly growing, and I really feel like even just this past year I've learned so much more.
We hope to take the work that we're doing locally and continue to improve that and expand that, and also being able to support communities across the state and with the certificate program across the nation and becoming community schools.
And so that's sort of how I think of BUCS as our university's commitment at the local level, the regional level, the state level, the national level, and even internationally around community schools. So I'm super proud.